black color, red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, light blue color. This is a triangle. This is a circle. This is an arrow. This is a rectangle. This is a hexagon. This is a triangle. This is red color, and this is a triangle. This is a red triangle. And this is orange color. And this is a circle. This is an orange circle. And this is yellow color. And this is an arrow. This is a yellow arrow. This is light green color. And this is a rectangle. This is a light green rectangle. This is dark green color, and this is a hexagon. This is dark green hexagon. And this is light blue color. And this is a triangle. This is light blue triangle.